Oh, we're going to deer camp, bro.
Yeah? Where are we headed?
Deer camp.
That's right.
Old Gold Shitty Road.
Old Gold Shitty Roads. We're at about the hour and a half mark out of 5 to 6 hours. Weather is cooperative. The roads are thawed. Michael, my dad, and Uncle Steve have not been able to get it done yet, so they called us up to see if we could assess the situation, figure out where the deer are. They already know where the deer aren't, so we are going to come on up and, you know, get things figured out. You know, we're going for nice full freezers. Nice full freezers this year. Get that right.
Ice full freezers.
Ice full freezers. All right, we'll check in later.
We should be out surfing.
Well, look at how scenic this is. Look at you, just out pondering, you know, carrots or corn. What will they like this year? Look at that. Wow. We're almost there. We're getting there. They're cooking up some fish at camp right now.
And taters.
And taters.
Drive me back to camp. Every night it's like, you ain't dinner yet.
We got a little fish going in the fryer.
Where's that pike at, Matt? I don't want to bring that. These fuckers will be jacking off over it.
What's going on over here, Corey?
Oh, just enjoying the fire. Little fish and chips.
Got it ripping over here. A little fish and chip.
Little fish and chips.
What do we have over here? Why don't you go grab that? Bring her in the light. You know, deer in the UP don't get too big, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see it.
Camp's record.
Why don't you put your face right in the middle of it for reference? Oh, wow. You either got the dinkiest head in the world or that's an elk.
Look at my hand. That is all the way around.
Yeah.
What, are you supposed to on my ass?
Don't go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
Like a fucking nut.
I knew, that's why I sent him in there. He's going to tell you to fucking pull it out of his ass. Just like you can pull it out of your ass.
Uncle Bob's cabin. What we got going on here, Michael? Huh? A little yeah, I'm doing a little hunting video, you know? Okay, documenting.
That's what Matt needed on his hat the other day.
Yeah, Matt needed that when he was all...
We got the fries going, all right?
That's good.
The captain. Oh, now we're talking.
Man, that's good walleye, man. Ooh. Yummy.
Uncle Bob don't miss an opening day.
Well, Bob, we miss Uncle Bob.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
We're cutting it off. Here, eat some fish. Go on there.
It's like fucking Trump. We're gonna put a tariff on. We're cutting it off right now. You either send some French fries out or no more fish.
Build their shit in the United States. Fire.
Hey, I'm telling you.
You either send some French fries out or you're cut off. No more fish.
Well, the end of day one. Well, morning one, I should say. I saw one doe. Corey saw nothing. Haven't talked to the other guys. There's no What do we have?
No, dough this morning. No,
Wow, awesome. Eugene's on the board.
Already hit it. Saw two wave points come in. No shit. Small one.
Well, the bet for the buck pull was first one to bring some testicles back to camp, and Eugene took it literal.
That's the nut tree.
Yeah, it's a nut tree, all right. That would make for one ugly ass Christmas ornament. Golics are going to do some baiting and hit the road. Corey checked his trail camera. He's all fired up, new life.
Let's go, baby.
We got a buck down. Going into hunt number 4, feeling pretty optimistic. Going out early, about, I don't know, 1 o'clock. So we will check in tonight. Is it hot?
Hell no, it's cold.
Well, Corey, tell me what happened today.
Well, it all started with got a heavy snowfall,
Heavy snowfall.
real heavy, and it's still going.
Oh yeah, winter wonderland.
We got heavy snowfall, and so I'm sitting there, and I see a deer out of my blind, but I couldn't really see because there's a bunch of thicket and shit. I couldn't see through my scope, so you know, I'm sitting there trying to figure it out, and when I finally like got like something on him, there's of course his tail jumping away. So then I decided to move my blind to the other side so I'm not facing the fucking thicket. Dropped my fucking gun in the goddamn snow. Because I laid it against the thing while I was moving shit. It fell right in the snow. Got snow all up in the scopes. Now it's foggier than fuck. I move this thing over. Blinds ripping. I'm sitting here having to move rocks out of the fucking way so I can sit even and shit. It was just a terrible time, man.
Well, we got at least you pulled your trail camera card, right?
Yeah.
So what did we figure out there?
Figured out that you got a real nice fucking 6-point, and I mean nice 6-point, at 1:20 or noon yesterday.
What were you doing, man? Were you sitting? Were you not watching out your window or your blind or something?
Oh no, I was here. Waiting
Oh,
for
you
Nick.
were where?
I was here.
Oh,
was waiting-
what the fuck?
I was waiting for Nick to get done shitting so I could fucking get back out there.
come on,
and I missed
man.
him by a half hour. Broad
Oh.
daylight.
Smooth operator came in, smashed the bait, took off. You know, if Corey had any woodsmanship, he would have seen them fresh tracks leaving that bait pile when he showed up, and he would have put a stalk on the big boy. But he's too busy looking at his phone, playing Pokemon Go on the way out to his blind or something. Isn't that right?
Never played Pokemon Go with Dave.
All right. Well, that's more exciting than my morning. I didn't see shit, but we're gonna get out here in the snow this afternoon and we're going out at noon. That should cut off that big buck. We'll check in later. Well, Corey, where are we at?
Right deer camp.
What is going on?
We ain't shooting deer.
No, it just feels like camp.
It
Feel like a
just
Boy Scout at this
we're
camp,
just
yeah.
camping.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna make a move tonight, hunt a different spot. You're hunting the same spot. Everybody always shoots one on their last hunt, right?
I sure hope so.
That's usually how it goes. So we got warming up some Coca-Cola. Fire going. We are taking off tonight, so we're gonna give her one more go. Oh, we're crossing the bridge without any meat.
Going to Canada.
Going to Canada. Gonna try our luck somewhere else.
Oh, it's not that bridge?
No. We're actually going to the Lower Peninsula.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Well, just got to hunting camp. What do you think, Joe?
3 queens, baby.
What'd you do for us?
I got free upgrade. I got it for free with no money. 3 queen beds.
Free with no money?
Room 269.
3 queen beds? Wow. We even have our own shitter.
Dad already farted in it.
Dad already farted in it?
Dad over there.
Oh, wow, okay. In the kitchen, huh?
That is pretty sketchy. What's up with that? Just a wiener?
Wow. I like going to Wyoming, but I think I'll sleep a little better here.
Incidentals. Incidentals.
Yeah,
Lamb's a leaner.
yeah, you know, I mean, that's what it is. You can't have 3 queens and 3 nice
3
lambs.
queens for 1 king.
Okay. Well, we just got here. Had a hell of a time even getting to the damn property. The road is completely washed out from the rain today. We don't even want to try to go down that way. We're so close, but so far. That's it right there. So they're down there trying to assess where we can turn around or at least just park the damn truck. I mean, the water is just flowing down this road. It is not good. And if you're wondering why they're doing all the work and I'm sitting in the truck, there's no plastic liners back here, and yeah, I don't want to get it all muddy, okay? Just mind your own business. But we'll get in there. You'll see.
No, Dad, no. Don't shoot a coyote.
Gravel ends.
What fucking gravel?
Gravel ends a long fucking way back.
There. That's nice.
Well, Joe, tell me what's going on.
All right, now we're going straight back to Bogey 30th, which would be back to the main road.
I mean, like with a little more detail.
Summarize the day so far.
Oh. Really shitty. Really weather.
What's going on?
Roads are rough. Can't drive anywhere. Got everything all set up. Got the
Somehow got out of there alive.
Somehow got out of there alive. The old man had to butch up, drive us out.
Superior driving.
Superior driving. So let's
Superior
go buy more
driving.
tires. Are you shitting me? This is your rapid.
So, yeah, dude. Are you shooting right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna sweep us out.
You know,
That might sweep you out.
they say access is everything.
Try to throw this fucker right.
Fucking kidding me? This is runoff. That's the road.
I didn't see anything. Did you hear us right behind you?
Huh?
Did you hear us right behind you?
I heard a little something.
We were like 20 yards behind you, so we couldn't quite get to you.
Were you,
Yeah.
I didn't even think about looking at the woods behind me at all.
He's behind you?
Look, right behind there's a fucking deer trail that runs right into this blind.
I see it.
So his face was right on the other side of this branch,
Yeah.
looking right at me. And I'm like this. This is just like this. Oh, fuck. But that buck was literally, he was like as far as you were away from the blind.
Well,
He was scratching on the blind with his horns. Trying to yeah. Trying to get in.
he's like, who put this here, man? I've been walking this trail all
Right
year.
in my fucking way.
Joe, what are we doing? What's going on? Give me an update.
It's bad, man.
Well, what's been going on? What are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're gonna go put down 1, 2, 3 does, and then right after that we're gonna put down 1, 2, 3 bucks.
It's the last day of the hunt. Last full
day
day.
of the hunt. Can't hold anything back now.
No, that's right. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, it's a good plan.
That's the plan. He's not shy. He's never been shy.
I
Nice.
started this after I saw that.
All right, we will check in tomorrow. Oh, I just took a shot at a buck. Pretty sure I hit him. I felt very good. The light was low. I would go as far as to say questionably low. I don't know, Dad. Let's just get through this part of it. Safety zone. You think that's gonna do it?
Yeah, look at the truck.
What do you think about that, dude? All right, here comes the meat wagon. Oh my God. Wow. There he is. What do you think?
Nice one, very nice.
These guys just showed up to drop off a doe that my dad shot. And there was no doe in the back of the truck, so they had to turn around and find it. I'm assuming it was in the middle of the road. Joe's on doe stability duty. Fuck yeah.
I get to shoot, I get to hold.
Look at that. Doe hanging up. Ready to get broken down. We just finished up doing my buck. So Dad popped a doe, I popped a buck. Joe saw a couple bucks today, didn't get a shot at him. He just headed back to the food plot area. My dad's going to where Joe was this morning, and hopefully, you know, get another doe. I mean, hopefully a couple bucks. It'd be nice to smack one more doe. And I'm gonna stick back and break this one down. Oh, what do we have here? That's 2 bucks in, I don't know, 6 hours or something? 6-pointer. Joe, let's hear the story. What happened?
It's close to the end, you know. And
Last day of the last hunt of the last day.
We've been bouncing back and forth, didn't know what was going on. Finally kind of figured out the land a little bit where they're going back and forth, and so I sat the morning on the other side. We're supposed to see a bunch of bucks that we had, and we didn't see them, so couldn't decide what to do. Nick had put his down, and so his blind was
That's
empty.
always what it is, right?
So his room was
if I'm
vacant.
here, they'll be there. If I'm
Yeah.
there, they'll be here.
So with vacancy over here, I sat in there, and then
Had been seeing bucks every, you know, every day. I'd seen bucks of all different sizes in there, you know, for the last, 2 days. But, and yeah, it was an aggressive move for sure.
Yeah.
That you were not confident with.
No.
You were like, whatever, I'll go sit over there.
Yeah, I thought I was shooting a doe. So he walked out, and he didn't walk back in.
No, he didn't. Sweet, we got a full-blown Native American style butchery camp over here. We're about to build a wigwam out of these hides. Hey ho, yeah. On the board.
Chalk it up.
Chalk it up. What's going on over here?
Hey, what's
About to
up?
cut the head off. Why
Not much.
Why are you looking like a cowboy?
Because I'm a cowboy.
Yeah, why? What a stupid ass question. Yeah, you are yourself today. Just breaking him down. We got a cooler full of meat. It's beginning to get pretty serious over here. I'm just gonna tape you while. What'd you say?
Losing daylight.
Yeah, we are losing daylight. I'm just taking a break. What? Isn't it every 45 minutes a 15-minute break? Maybe call OSHA,
we're
dude.
taking a break. I'll take a break.
No, we're not taking a break. Get back to work. What's going on, Joe?
Fucking getting the monies out of the hotel.
Get money's worth.
Getting your money's worth out of the hotel, huh?
Yeah.
This is the old butcher shop.
Best conditions you've ever had.
We got a lot of work ahead of us. But, you know, I would never have to wear gloves when butchering meat, but Joe insisted on having
Bullshit.
some yellow
He's
dishwasher
wearing
gloves. Well,
them.
they'll never know if I am or if I'm not. So. Yep. Just deboning some meat. Pops is out trying to get one more for us hanging up. But, yep, this beats hanging it off a tree and doing it on a mountain, I'll tell you that. All right, Dad's going out for the last hunt of the trip.
Yeah.
Gonna try to seal the deal.
That's what I do. Seal deals.
Well, the buck's gotta cooperate though.
Great white hunter.
It's a little warm today, but the wind is perfect, so those offset. We weren't making a big fuss on the property today, so things are looking up.
Except for me looking down on you.
Except for what?
Except for me looking down on you.
That's very cryptic and mean.